Hey iPhone fans, guess what? iOS 18 is here and it's time to update. Don't worry, I'll walk you through it in just 2 minutes. Let's get started. First things first, make sure your iPhone is charged or plugged in. You don't want it dying mid-update. Got it? Alright, let's move on. Step 1, go to your settings. That's the gear icon on your home screen. Tap on it. Next, scroll down and tap on General. You'll see a bunch of options. Look for Software Update and tap on that. Now you should see iOS 18 available for download. If you don't, just give it a minute or two. Sometimes these things need a little time to show up. Tap Download and install. While it's downloading, you might want to grab a coffee or just chill for a bit. It can take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. Once downloaded, your iPhone will prompt you to install. Tap Install now. Your phone will restart and you'll see the Apple logo with a progress bar. This is normal. Just let it do its thing. Okay. Now for those who like things on autopilot, I've got a tip for you. Go back to Settings, then General. Tap Software Update, but this time click on Automatic Updates at the top. Make sure both Download iOS Updates and Install iOS Updates are turned on. This way, your iPhone will handle future updates all by itself. And that's it. You're now running iOS 18. Enjoy all the cool new features and improvements. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks.